Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be working on palindrome. So let's know what's palindrome. If you can see this word Anna, if you reverse it, it's Anna itself. So this is a palindrome. Now let's build a plan on how we can solve this problem. Okay. Okay. Now what we can do is the first thing we can do is reverse this string and check if the user entered string is equal to reversed string or not. If the user input was something like college, and if you reverse this, and we can easily know that the user input is not equals to the reversed, so this is not a palindrome. We can do that way, but the easiest way would be, how about comparing the first one with the last one? We're going to compare these two, or let's say we're going to compare the first start position and the end position. So right now, if we compare these two, these are not the same, so we don't need to run the loop multiple times to save time. Okay, so we can do this, and we're going to do this itself. Now okay, so this user input is the string entered by the user. Now let's put a integer start, and the start is going to be 0, and integer end, it's going to be the last one. So in the case of Anna, we know that the length of Anna is 4 because it's 1 2 3 4, but the position will be 0 1 2 3. Okay, so length minus 1. Okay, user input dot length minus 1 will be the end. Now let's go here again. Okay, let's do LIRIL. This is also a palindrome. Now it's 0 1 2 3 4. This is the position. Okay, so now where do we want this loop to stop? First it's going to check this and this, then we're going to check this and this. If we don't stop somewhere, this will check this here, and then it's going to go here, and the loop keeps on going all the way to the end. So we're going to stop somewhere that's going to be in the mid. Okay, to know where exactly is the mid, I'll just clear this. Okay, so in our case this is the mid, right? So start will go until 1, this one, and end will go until this here 3, right? And we don't want end to go on 2 and start to go on 2, second position, right? So here's the deal. Start should be less than, the position of start should be less than the position of end, right? We don't want start position and end position to be the same. If we do plus plus, then this will start will be 2, and if we do minus minus, end will be 2 itself. We don't want that to happen. So this is the best option. We're going to stick with this. So start should be always be smaller than the end. Okay, so we're going to use while loop. Okay, let's follow the intelligence here. It's helping us. Now here what we will do is we will user input start if user input start is not equals to user input end. Okay, now let's see our whiteboard. If okay, let's assume it was like this E. If this is not equals to this, it's not a palindrome, so there's no point checking the other positions. So it's not a palindrome, so we can just terminate the loop, right? Console.writeLine, and to terminate this nested loop we can do return, and it's going to stop everything. Okay, now else, let's do else. If in the case of Anna, if start and end is equal, so A is equals to A, then this could be a palindrome. So we're going to increment A by 1, that will take us to this position, and we're going to decrement the end pointer by 1. This is going to take us to 0, 1, 2 position. Okay, so let's increment start by 1 and decrement end by 1. And that is it. Now if everything works well, we can do console.writeLine. It's a palindrome, and let's save it. Let's test it now. Let's do an Emma. Okay, it's a palindrome. Let's test it again. Malayam. It's a palindrome, sure. Now let's test it with my name, which is not a palindrome. Okay, let's test it with something else. Okay, not a palindrome. Let's test with something that looks like a palindrome but is not a palindrome. So LAAN Anna, but let's put like this TU. Okay, not a palindrome. Alright, this code works. Thank you very much for watching.